They're so funny. Where's my phone stand? Oh, I see it. It's too far and I'm so lazy. What am I gonna do? Now I can watch my movie. Oh, so funny. This movie's so funny.
I know, right? Can you give me the plate so we could share popcorn?
I'm so lazy. Okay. The plate's so far. Why is it so far? Lily, it's too far. I can't get it.
Tony, you're so lazy. Come on. Come on. Move closer.
I have an idea.
What are you doing, Tony?
Now you can put the popcorn here.
Okay.
Now we can both eat popcorn.
Wow, you're such a genius.
Thanks. No more bowls? Are you serious? How come no one washes their dishes after eating? How come I always have to wash the dishes? Oh, I know what to do. So now it's eating time. That was so good. Now my bowl's super clean and I don't have to clean anything.
Now I'm ready to go.
Oh, it's raining so much.
It's raining right now?
Yeah, it's so cold. Oh, shoot. Oh, my shoes are so wet. How am I gonna dry them?
Really? These are my new shoes. I don't want them to get wet. I know what to do.
Huh?
I'll use plastic bags to protect my shoes. Now make sure that it's tied tightly. Now my shoes are protected. All I need is an umbrella.
Bye, Lily.
My shoes are so dry. Tony, can you get me a plate for the salad?
Fine. Huh? There's nothing left.
Seriously? Maybe there's some in the sink. Tony, why don't you do the dishes?
It's your turn, right?
I did them last time. It's your turn.
No, I washed that cup, remember?
Cup? I washed all the dishes last time.
Yeah, but...
You washed... enough. I know what to do.
Huh? Lily? What are you doing?
What do you mean? I'm making a salad. And now I'll use the skewers as chopsticks.
What? That's genius. Oh, I'm gonna try that too.
Now we don't have to wash any dishes.
Yeah. Lily, can I get my laptop back?
Just give me 1 second. I need to finish my document.
Are you serious, Lily? My keyboard's so nasty.
It's just chips. I'll wipe it off.
Are you serious, Lily? Look how oily it is.
I'm sorry. I know how to keep it clean now. To solve this problem, you get saran wrap. And then use it to cover the keyboard. So now, when I drop my chips on it, I can easily clean it up. It's all clean now.
Whoa, that's smart. Can I get my laptop back?
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course. It takes me 3 minutes to brush my teeth. I'm so lazy. Oh, I know what to do. I could use a chair when I brush my teeth. I'm so tired from using my hand.
So I'll just shake my head instead. And now I'm ready to go to work.